How to send an assignment or a homework or an activity or a project to your class teacher or to your subject teacher. First, let me show you how to install that Google Classroom app. Go to Play Store, click Play Store. There you can find Classroom. Type Classroom over here. There you can see Google Classroom. Directly it comes over there. Just click that one. You can see an install button over here. Because I installed, it was not appeared here. So just click install so that this app will be installed, and you can go directly to the app. You can see here I have installed already. This is the Google Classroom app icon. Click that icon, go inside. You can see I have already joined in my classroom through mobile. You can make sure that you have signed in with your Google account, and then you can check what classes you have joined in, and then you can directly click for a math. So there you can see stream, classwork, people, the same as like in the laptop it will be there. Click classwork so that you can see a classwork is there, an activity it is given by my class teacher. You can click that activity. I'm going to click this number, addition of two numbers activity. So I'm just clicking that on. You can see here my teacher has assigned some work. It was explained in a Word file or a PPT file. You can check that one, and later you can write that work, and you can take a photo directly and you can send, or you can take a photo and keep it ready with your mobile. Then you can click your work. Okay, just I'm going to click my work. So you can see here an option, it is given add work. So if you click that one, you can add attachment, you can add anything that I will show you. You can see here more options are given here. Through Google Drive you can upload your file. You can upload, you can directly take a photo and you can upload, and then you can upload your photo. Okay, if you have a photo in your mobile, you can upload it. If you want to directly take a photo, and you can send. And the next option is upload file. You can click upload file. So files, PDF file or Word file, that you can upload it over here. And links, if you have any links, you can upload it like this. So I'm just going to click upload file. So you can upload a photo or upload a file. So click that one. So I'm just clicking that one, and I have uploaded some file. So I can just click hand in. After uploading, you should make sure that you have clicked hand in. Now I'm going to click hand in. So you can see check, because I have submitted already. It was saying, do you want to resubmit? Yes, I'm going to. Or it will say hand in. You have to click yes, hand in. That's it. And why my work is submitted, you can see here this will come like this, and before you have got a message, alert message, like you have submitted your assignment. And that's it, how to submit your assignment in Google Classroom. It's easy to submit through mobile, and you can also view your class students, classmates, how many class students are there, like that. And stream option, it is there. You can click the stream option and you can go to the home screen. There you can see this is the menu. You can go to the menu. You can see there 4A science, 4A math, whatever the options you need, that will be there. Notifications or classes and whatever it is, the options one by one, if you click, you can came to know what it is. And that's it. Whenever a teacher is assigning a work, you can go here and you can click that and you can turn in your work. And that's it. Thank you.